Hello friends, how are you? I am Arjun Poddar. Today I am going to show you how to integrate Google Analytics tool with your Shopify stores. If you want to measure traffic's behavior on your Shopify store, you have to integrate Google Analytics tools on your website. So let's get started. I log in my Shopify store here. From here, you have to click online stores to see your store. I clicked here. Let's say this is my Shopify stores and I am going to integrate Google Analytics tools on these websites. So at first I'm going to Google Tag Manager account. Now I'm going to create a Google Tag Manager account for my website. So if you type tagmanager.google.com on your search bar, then it will ask your Gmail address. So after putting your Gmail address, you log in this type of interface. From here, you have to come to on admin panel. From here, you can create a account. Click on this plus icon. Let's say my account name is ecom. Then select your country. Then container setup. Select your put your web address. This is my web address. Copy it and paste it here and remove this option HTTPS and this option and select web, then create. Then it will show you some terms. Agree with terms. So Google Tag Manager now give me 2 tags to integrate on my website. These 2 tags I have to put on my website backend. So I am going to copy first tag by clicking this icon, and it should be placed on header section. So go to the backend and click on theme section, then customize and click on this 3 dot icon and then edit code. After that, you have to come on theme.liquid, this option, and from here this is my header tag. I have to put my code on this section. So this is a previous one. I am going to paste new one. This is my new Google Tag Manager code, and another code is this one. It should be placed on body section, and I am going to copy it and paste it on body section and click Ctrl plus F and find opening body tag. This is opening body tag and this code is previous one. I am going to paste new one here and save. So now my website and Google Tag Manager integrated. After integration with Google Tag Manager account, now I have to go to Google Analytics. So now I came to my Google Analytics tool. You have to log in with your Gmail or mail ID. After login this interface, you have to click on this gear icon, admin, then click on this create button, create account or property. For first time you can create a account. I am going to create an account name Let's say it's ecom. Next, property name. Then select your country and time zone. The next, select business category and business size. Then next, then shows your objectives, sales, online sales as its ecom site. Then create, agree with terms and condition, accept, web. Then here website URL. In this box you have to put your website address. This is my website address. Paste it here and remove HTTP option. Steam name, I gave a Steam name. Then create stream. Then Google Analytics give me a stream ID and measurement ID. Now after appearing this, you can cross it, and I have to put this measurement ID on Google Tag Manager account. So I am going to copy this measurement ID and paste it on Google Tag Manager account. Now I have to create a new tag for BD Digital. Then from left side menu, click on tag, then new, then tag configuration. It's Google Analytics and it's Google tag. Now Google Analytics give me two tag. One is measurement ID and another is Google tag. Here you get Google tag. Click on this option, configure tag settings. This first one is Google tag. So I am going to copy this one. This Google tag should place on Google Tag Manager account. Now I am going to integrate Google Analytics and Google Tag Manager. So I copy this Google tag and create a new tag from Google Tag Manager account. Click on new, then new configuration, then Google Analytics, then Google tag, then paste it here, tag, and trigger, set a new trigger all pages and name this one, save it here. And another task is remain. That means I have to Another task is I have to put this measurement ID on Google Tag Manager account. So I am going to copy it, then go to and create new tag, then click on tag configuration, Google Analytics, GA4 event, and here measurement ID, paste it here and give a event name, page view, and give a name, Then click trigger all pages and save. Now click on submit, publish, continue, cross it out and come to workspace. Now click on this option, preview, and copy your website URL, paste it here and connect. So my website connected with Google Tag Manager account, as this tag assistant is showing that it connected. This is a Chrome extension. It's called Tag Assistant. You have to install this extension on your Chrome browser to see whether it's connected or not. Now I am going to click a product and check that whether data is passing on Google Analytics or not. Google Tag Assistant showing that it's connected, and I am going to check on Tag Manager account. So it's showing that tag fired. That means all page view, I view a product, single product, so it fired. Now go to analytics, continue to home. From here click on this gear icon, admin, then data display, then debug view, see page view event. Data came on Google Analytics 4 account is showing that one click is came from website, so it's working. So this way you can connect Google Analytics with your Shopify store. If it seems to you that it's hassle job, you can knock me on my email address or WhatsApp number. I will help you to connect these two tools with your Shopify store. Thanks to all.